Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RS Kitchen. If you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. Today we will show you how to prepare ginger powder at home using microwave oven. For this we require ginger. Cut the ginger into small pieces and place in a microwave safe plate. Microwave it for 2 minutes and then turn the ginger pieces. Repeat the process. After 8 minutes, the ginger pieces are completely dry. Grind the ginger pieces into a fine powder and strain it. Our ginger powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container. Thank you for watching.